Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the Sunmilk Tonic in Windrose. First of all, in the discovery you'll need to unlock the foothills biome, in which you'll want to find some nuts. These are going to unlock the schematic for Sunmilk Tonic. Also, they require nuts to be crafted, which can be gathered from killing pirates or getting supply caches within the foothills biome. Secondly, you want to go to the cooking fire, where it can be crafted from some coconuts, which you can get in the coastal jungle biome from some coconut palms, and aloe leaves, which can be gathered from aloe, which is located in the foothills biome, or which you can farm if you have seeds. Just like this. So, once you have gathered all the materials, you can go ahead and craft it. Also, you'll need to have the level 2 station, which requires you to make the cutting table. So we can go ahead and craft some. And as you can see, it is going to give you 10 endurance when you drink it, and also it is going to last 30 minutes, which is a long time. So, if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.